Another day, another video. What's up, guys? Styles here. Hope you guys are all doing well out there. As for myself, I mean, hey, same as it ever was. Not too much going on today. Just want to share with you guys a pickup that I picked up back in like the spring, like mid-spring. Not quite summer yet, but of course not the fall, which it's currently Carhartt season. So these are gonna go perfect. But I picked these up for like, I want to say like 12 to 20 bucks, like somewhere in that range. Definitely not over 20 bucks and not under 12. But these are the Rainier lows, New Balance. These are so comfortable, aka Beef and Brocs. Picked these up at Marshall's. You can find these from like 80 bucks to like 40 bucks, give or take. Like I see them on like StockX and GOAT. Like they're out there, you can find them. They're not a new release, nothing like that. Nothing too crazy, no hype here. But they're super comfortable, super dope. Little Beef and Brocs going on, you know, and definitely got good traction. So like if you're like out there slushing and whatnot, the leaves and whatnot, like you're not gonna like bust your whatnot. So your New Balance dummy, get you a pair of dummy. Nah, but these are pretty dope though. So like 12 bucks in the spring, like not quite summer. Like these are not a shoe that you're gonna be wearing, but I couldn't pass them up at 12 bucks. And like I was looking at these quite a while ago, and I almost picked them up like at full price. Oh, it was like maybe like at 50 bucks. I was like gonna pick them up at 50 bucks. I was like, these are pretty dope, you know. And I'm glad I waited, because like 12 was for surely better than 50 bucks. It's a waiting game, you know. With these sneakers, with these toys, anything for that matter, like just wait it out. Like don't be so impulsive, you know what I mean? Like just exercise a little bit of patience, you know what I mean? At least let it go down in price a little bit. And if you can't wait, if you must, you know, then you proceed. And if you miss out, keep it moving. That's my motto. If it was there, it was meant to be. If not, just keep it moving. Chalk it up, charge it to the game. Take your dubs with the L's, one and the same, but I digress. It's not about that, it's about these. Rainier low, New Balance, super comfortable. Picked them up for 12 bucks. Well, like no less than 12, no more than 20. We'll call it 15, just to be, you know, just to keep them honest. Several months ago, but again, couldn't wear them then. I could have, but my feet would have been kind of hot. Could wear them now, certainly though. Super lightweight, not like your Timberland boot, you know. But these Beef and Brocs, certainly though, urban trekking, full effect. We're gonna wear these a lot, like a lot. Like they go with like a lot. They go. I could wear them now if I wanted to. I'm not, but I could. You know. I could also wear them. Like, you can't tell me that's not tough. You know what I mean? That's actually, I could throw this hoodie on with this and like, wow, effortlessly. You know what I mean? That wasn't even prop. You know, that was improv for sure. That wasn't even planned out. Look at that. Like, just throw this on right here. Boom. Boom. Like, I didn't even plan that out. Like, see that? Like, you could literally wear these, like, any combination. Like, you could literally wear these every day. Same goes for this. Like literally. This is uniform stuff right here. I'm dropping whiz nugs. But officially, Carhartt season, being versatile and being comfortable. And these are just that. Stylish, versatile, and comfortable as all heck. Versatile, like I could wear these with a pair of sweats, a pair of Dockers, a pair of Dickies, a pair of jeans. Like you name it, I could wear them with these. And they'll look good. Also, because it is Carhartt season officially, PSA. Don't walk, run. Not with scissors, of course. But nah, you throw this on with this, and check it out. I didn't even plan this out, by the way. But you see the hoodie? See the green? How it just... Like, you can't tell me that that's a color that just hits. Even throwing a pair of Levi's, a Canadian tuxedo. Like... But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. A little whiz nug for you guys. Beef and Brocs shop off season. Rainier lows, 12 bucks. We'll call it 15 just to keep them honest. Like it was between 12 and 50. It was between 12 and 20. No less than 12, no more than 20. 15 keeps them honest. We'll say it was that. But again, glad I waited because the last I checked they were like 50 bucks and I was going to spend 50 bucks. They're on StockX right now for like 70 to 80 bucks. I seen them on GOAT for like 90. Glad I waited it out. I mean, you can put them on with a pair of sweats, a pair of chino pants, a pair of jeans for sure, a pair of khakis, Dickies 874s. Put them on a pair of shorts, like some hiking socks. Like for sure, total dadness, you know what I mean? Some cargo shorts. And a hoodie. You're good to go. Jean suit, I'll forget about it. Yep. That's all I got for you guys. This has been Styles. Once again, you guys continue to be kind and see me tomorrow. Why not? Real quick PSA for you guys. It's officially Carhartt season. That's right. Grab your Carhartts. Don't walk. Run. Everyone needs Carhartt in the wardrobe. You're going to catch me in this bad boy like so often. By far, well worth the money you're going to spend. Don't get all those fancy brands. Carhartt. I mean, now if you're really feeling fancy, you can up it up a bit and get the work in progress. But, I mean, the standard version, they work just fine. It's like 120, 130 bucks, something like that, give or take, for the jacket. About like 80 to 90 bucks for the vest. But these are going to keep you plenty warm and stylish. Grab you some. And then, you know, you kind of throw these in the mix. These are the perfect hoodies, by the way. And if you're feeling fancy, you got to tuck your shirt in. Grab one with a collar. Either way it goes, though, it's Carhartt season. Run. Don't walk. No affiliate links, not sponsored, but hey, I just dig the hell out of it. But you know what I enjoy more than Carhartt? I enjoy saving a buck more than Carhartt.